If I could drink it, I would. This has done wonders for my skin. That lifts warmth from within glow. People literally stop me when I use this on my body. The smell is heavenly. If you want your body glowing, if you want your body popping, this is the video for you. And if you have melanin-rich skin like me, you definitely know that the most glowing body content is designed for skin that doesn't share our specific skin concerns. Nobody's talking about that KP on your arm, the hyperpigmentation on your inner thighs, the ingrown hairs on your legs, and how to actually address all of that while also achieving the kind of glow that looks intentional, not oily, not greasy, just a glow from within. So in this video, I'm building a complete body glow routine from a chemist perspective, products I actually use, steps that actually work. So let's get into it. Now, body skin is thicker than facial skin, especially on the torso area and limb area, which means it's a lot more resilient and less responsive to treatment. So active ingredients need higher concentrations or more consistent use to create change on the body. Body skin also has fewer subcutaneous glands than facial skin, which means that it dries out faster. For melanin-rich skin, the same pie mechanisms that affect our faces affect our bodies. Inflammation from KP, ingrown hairs, or friction that creates dark marks that can be much harder to fade on the body because we're less diligent with SPF and actives on the skin that's usually covered. And baby girls, the routine I'm giving you today covers exfoliation, hydration, targeted treatment, and of course, a glowy finish. So I truly made this video for the girls, okay? And we're starting off strong with the ordinary 7% glycolic acid toning solution. This chemical exfoliant, literally, if I could drink it, I would. We're on the last bit of it. I mean, it's everyone's favorite for a reason. And on the body, it works wonders. At the pH that the ordinary formula is amazing for the body because that 7% is optimal for your body to be able to handle it. Because again, our body skin is what? More resilient. And glycolic acid helps speed up that cell turnover, fading hyperpigmentation, smoothing KP texture, and just overall brightening. When I tell you, since adding this to my routine, it has been literally night and day because nothing else is working. And for KP specifically, those bumps on the backs of your arms and thighs, chemical exfoliation is fundamentally more effective than physically scrubbing. KP is caused by the buildup of keratin around hair follicles. Glycolic acid dissolves that keratin buildup. Scrubbing just irritates it, especially if you're scrubbing really hard. And if you're African like me, you know you'll be going hard with the scrubbing. Apply it to dry skin after showering, let it absorb, don't rinse, because yes, you can definitely use this facial product on your body. And just a personal anecdote, I have used it on my hoo-ha and it has cleared all the dark spots I had from when I used to shave a lot when I was younger and just using the wrong shaving techniques. I honestly can't say enough good things about the ordinary glycolic acid. It truly has made such a huge difference in my overall skin. And this one, honestly, I'm not going to take credit for. I saw this on Jasmine Took's video. She talked about a Korean body scrubber. I think she said every once a month or once every 2 months, and I have never gone back. This thing works magic when it comes to smoothing the skin. The key is to wet your skin. Let the water soak in for about 5 minutes because that softening time is really everything. When the skin has softened, then you want to do the exfoliation process. I pair with the Dove vanilla sugar and shea butter scrubber. Just don't scrub aggressively, medium pressure, let the cloth do the work, and you will see the dead skin stuff literally just falling off. I probably would not use this the same day I'm doing a chemical exfoliation because this, it goes to town, okay honey? And speaking of this Dove brown sugar scrubber, the smell is heavenly. I wish I could eat it. That's how good it is. The skin on your body is a lot more resilient. Make sure you really target your elbows, your heels. It really does a great job in all those areas where you're managing active hyperpigmentation or just ingrown hairs. And as long as you're not aggressively scrubbing, it doesn't hurt you or anything. Pairing it with this Korean body scrubber, if I've not convinced you at this point, then I don't know what else to say because this has done wonders for my skin. And also for KP, if you use glycolic acid and it's not really working for you, look for urea-based body lotions that have 10 to 20% urea. For KP, urea is a keratolytic. It breaks down the excess keratin more directly than AHAs like glycolic acid. So that's another great alternative. For hyperpigmentation and dark marks, consistency with chemical exfoliation plus something like a niacinamide body lotion will make the biggest difference over time. The same ingredients that work on your face work on your body, believe it or not. They really just need more time because again, your skin is thicker on your body. So you need to be patient and consistently apply the products because the body skin turns over slower than the skin on your face. For ingrown hairs, I really love salicylic acid BHAs. The Ordinary has a great one. It's an oil soluble BHA that gets into the follicle. It clears the blockage that causes hair to grow sideways. So a body wash or leave-in with salicylic acid used consistently in problem areas reduces both the occurrence and the dark marks that they leave behind. For the next step, we're going to talk about hydration. I've been loving loving the Vaseline Radiance and Replenishing Hydrating Body Oil. This body oil is tea, okay? First of all, it's affordable because, you know, Vaseline comes through for the girlies with the prices. This is great if you don't really want to go the full petrolatum route where you don't want to use this thick occlusive like petrolatum. It's a lot lighter than petroleum jelly, but it still provides that occlusive seal that locks in moisture to give your skin that glow from the inside finish. People literally stop me when I use this on my body and they ask me like, what's on your body? Like, did you do some type of procedure? I'm like, nope, just Vaseline. So for melanin-rich skin, I got you girls. Moisture retention is directly linked to how well hyperpigmentation responds to treatments. A dehydrated skin barrier doesn't exfoliate, treat, or heal as effectively. An occlusive body oil like this one from Vaseline helps seal everything in. Make sure to apply on damp skin. It's easier to seal in the moisture on damp skin than drier skin. The glow from a body oil is also really functional because it reflects light really well, especially melanin-rich skin. Your skin just looks delicious. I mean, my skin on this video is giving me all the feels right now. So if you're looking for the same result, I'm telling you right now, you need a wonderful oil that can lock in all the products and give you that glowy, radiant, sun-kissed skin. Now, speaking of glowy finish, you think I was gonna leave you guys at the oil? I got more for you guys, okay? A product I've been loving recently for a good glow, L'Oreal Lumi Glowtion. It's a bronzing enhancer that gives you that instant glow layer. And I want to be clear that this is not a treatment. This is purely cosmetic and just how it looks. It's a cosmetic glow enhancer that uses light diffusing particles to create an appearance of radiance. So for melanin-rich skin, the key is the shade selection. I'm using this one in shade 904 Deep Glow. It comes in multiple different shades. If you're lighter than me, make sure you're selecting the right shade for your skin because I used it on my arms, on my collarbones, and it is popping. The wrong shade will give you that gray ashy cast that nobody likes. We need that lift warmth from within glow, okay? And getting the right shade plays a huge part in that. I usually will layer it all over the places where I applied my body oil, so my collarbones, my shoulders, not everywhere, just selective application that looks more natural and avoids that coated shimmer that you see sometimes where someone just looks like they just poured shimmer all over their body. That's not what we want. We want like a glow from within, okay? And then to finish it off, this Josie Maran fragrance mist. It's a light fragrance mist that adds a subtle shimmer and a scent without adding another heavy product. If you're sensitive to fragrance, skip this step. But if you want that sensory experience and just to fully complete that body glow, because you know, when you feel good, you want to smell good too. This is such an elevated touch to just really add that last hurrah to just tie everything together. If you know, you know. So I think that's it. That's all I got for you guys. That's my full body glow routine at the moment. From my favorite chemist perspective, I really made sure that I layered all of the products and it wasn't just about shimmer that I see in a lot of these videos. Just remember, exfoliation creates that smooth canvas. Targeted treatments fade what's disrupting that glow. The hydration helps to seal and reflect. The finished products are the final step, not the only step, okay? And the biggest mistake I see a lot of people do is buy a lot of the glow and oil products and they skip exfoliation and treatments. The oil sits on dry, textured, uneven skin and the glow just looks patchy. And who wants to look like that? You want to look even, hydrated, and healthy. So do the work underneath and the finish pays off. If you're specifically dealing with hyperpigmentation and want to know what ingredients are actually going to fade those marks, I ranked every hyperpigmentation ingredient with science behind it. So watch this video right here. I got you, girl. It'll help you do a full 360 glow, okay? Once you understand these ingredients, it'll help you understand why I picked the ingredients that I picked for you.